Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play. Sorry for the depressing video. Sometimes I get a little uptight, as my friends will let you know. So let's take a minute in the Zen garden and center ourselves, shall we? It's a beautiful day. It's at the peak of summer. I'm not too busy. I got here early so I could film this while the owners are away. The mice are playing. Okay. Okay, that's my moment of peace. Now, as a treat, since you sat through that last harrowing video, I'm gonna climb this tree. 50-foot blue spruce. There's another huge tree on this property. You can watch me climb this one, and then I'll take you up on the other one. Let's see if that works. Happen to have a ladder to get to the first branch. And then I'll bend the tripod so that you can see up the tree. I think that'll... Can you see me now? Here I go. The tree's a highway. It's a ladder. Very easy to climb. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Probably 30 feet. Nice view. Gets a little dense up above. I think this might be my maximum. Yeah, that's it. I'm coming back down. But awesome view. I'll take you up the next one. Phew! Well, this tree, not a blue spruce, I think it's a fir, but I'm not sure. Beautiful though, hey? Again, I'm at the top of the ladder. Just use hyperview to show you where we are. Oh, there's the feet. Okay, back up. I think for safety's sake, I'm gonna pause while I'm climbing. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, this tree's too difficult to climb. I'm respectfully backing out. You see, there's no one to pick up the pieces if I fall. So, I think we'll err on the side of caution for today. Sorry. Yeah, until next time.